Quick little MidJourney tip for you. I got an email from a viewer who accidentally deleted one of their Discord channels that contained a bunch of their MidJourney generations, their images, the stuff they wanted to work with, and are freaking out because naturally they lost a bunch of their work. Good news, you don't actually lose anything. So I'm going to show you how to recover your work. First and foremost, there is no way to recover deleted Discord channels, so unfortunately that will be gone, but you can make a new one. You can still access your images though. Every single image you generate is stored in your MidJourney account. So that means you go to MidJourney's website, which is just midjourney.com. You choose sign in with the Discord account that you're using to generate your MidJourney images. Sign in with that account and it will take you to your profile page. Here, it will show you every single image you have ever generated with MidJourney going back to whenever you started with this account. And you can sort them by ones that are popular if you've shared them publicly, your newest ones. You can sort by your oldest ones so you can see how bad some of my very first ones were. They look like MS Paint drawings. It's not the point. From here, though, you can do things with them. Obviously, you can just save out the image itself and photo edit, do whatever you would normally want to do with an image. But with every single image, whether you're in the grid view here or selecting a very specific one, there is a 3-dot little menu right here. You click that, and then you have a couple different options. First and foremost, if you go to open in and then open in Discord, it's going to open a tab with Discord. And if that channel still exists, it will take you to the message that that image was generated in, which is really handy. Obviously, if you deleted the channel, it's probably going to error out. However, you can go over here to copy and you have a few really cool options. You can copy just the text prompt. You can copy the full command, which is going to have all your extra modifiers. So first and foremost, if we go to copy prompt and then open up here, if we just paste this in, you can see here it has our image sources and our description, but none of the quality, the aspect ratio factors, any of that. If we go to copy command, it's going to copy all of those extra arguments and flags. You still have to type /imagine at the front, but then you can fire it off and it's going to have your aspect ratios, your quality, all those other settings. However, you also have a third thing you can copy, and that is the job ID. Now, if you click this, click job ID, now you have a new command you can use, which is /show, and then you paste in that job ID, which should be this big string of letters and numbers. Press enter, and it's going to recall this exact generation that was in your Discord before and present it to you. Boom, there we go. We have this exact image, the exact command, the exact generation. It doesn't remake it, it just calls it back. And then from there, we can remix it, we can remaster it, we can upscale it, we can do whatever. And so you can do the same that with individual images, or you can do it with the four-way spread. So I can go over here, copy job ID, type /show, paste in the job ID, and boom, we already have that. And then we can still go through, like I said, variations, upscales, all of that. Fairly straightforward. Don't panic. Obviously, if you want everything back exactly like you'd have it, you'd have to sort by oldest and copy every single job ID and make a replication of that channel. Probably not worth it. But, when you pick out your favorites or there's ones you specifically want to work on, you still have them accessible. They are not gone. So I do recommend spending some time at some point in between generations to filter, sort, build collections, things like that, now that it's a feature in MidJourney if you can. But that would be my advice. I just wanted to make this video super quick, help save some headaches, because I've seen some similar comments and I was a little confused, but I think this is what will help you the most. So hope you enjoyed. Remember to be kind, rewind.